Okay, so today we're
taste testing the Oreo flavored Coke and the Coke flavored Oreos. I'm gonna start
if you
with
dip,
Oreo flavored.
if you
I'm starting with the Oreo flavored Coke. That's really good. It tastes like normal Coke. And
I guess they made it of Coke. Oreo.
It tastes a little weird at the end.
Yeah, that's called an aftertaste.
Mmm.
Does it taste like Coke or does it taste like Oreos?
Both combined.
Yeah, that's a scary thought.
Overall, not too bad.
Overall, is it Coke or Oreos?
Mostly Coke.
All right, now you need to hold on. You need to pour it in the glass so that you can dip it.
Oh, I love the bubbles.
Bubble. Hey, Jack, no. Drinking the bubbles. Okay,
Right.
now we're gonna find out if you dip Coke flavored Oreos in Oreo flavored Coke.
What does it taste like?
Does it taste like Oreos or Coke? Okay. Now. Does it taste like Oreos or Coke?
It tastes like neither. Either.
Huh?
It tastes.
This is a shocking revelation. Does it taste bad or good?
Both.
Ah!
Mostly bad.
That means it tastes bad. Ah!
Mostly bad.
Ugh. Ugh. Smells like a smell. Bye-bye.